everyone! Are you excited about the Vivo X300 series? Honestly, I'm more hyped for the regular Vivo X300 than the Pro this year. Here's why. Compact 6.31-inch display that fits perfectly in your hand. Supercharged with the MediaTek Dimensity 9500 for flagship performance. Monster 6,300 mAh battery and blazing fast 90-watt wired charging. Yep, that's almost instant juice. Camera lovers? A real treat. A massive 200-megapixel HPB sensor, 1/1.4 inches. Innovative 50-megapixel 3x periscope telemacro, and a sharp 50-megapixel AF selfie camera. Full ZEISS optics with T-Star coating make every shot crystal clear. And guess what? Wireless charging is very likely. Not sure about USB 3.2 yet, but fingers crossed. Meanwhile, the X300 Pro builds on last year's Pro model with some solid upgrades. Bigger display and battery, maybe even better satellite features. But the X300's all-around package is way more exciting for everyday users. Which would you pick? Future-ready X300 or beefed-up Pro? Comment below.